This is one of my favorite spring treats. Dandelion blossom fritters or dandelion blossom tempura. Here's what you need to make it. Rice flour, an egg, or if you're going vegan, you can do a beer batter or a seltzer batter, water, high heat cooking oil, and of course the dandelion blossoms. Here's the beautiful harvest that I gathered. And here are the ingredients once again. So if you're doing traditional tempura, you'll need to crack an egg, whisk it, and then add enough water so that there's 3/4 cup egg water mixture. Then whisk to incorporate them. Measure out 1/2 cup of rice flour and combine with the mixture. Mix all those ingredients well. If you like a thinner batter, you can add more water. If you're doing the vegan version, you can make a beer batter here, or instead of beer, you can actually use seltzer to make a seltzer batter. Add enough oil to coat the bottom of a pan. I use sunflower oil because it's good high heat oil. I like to test the oil to make sure it's hot enough by adding a little bit of batter to see if it will fry. And now we're ready to dip our dandelion blossoms in the batter and put them in the oil. Some people like to remove the calyx or the sepals that are underneath the green part, underneath the blossom before frying, but I like to cook the whole thing. Then you'll just fry them till they're crisp. This takes a few minutes. You can flip them halfway through to get an even cook on both sides. And then when they're ready, take them off the heat and let them drain on a paper towel. Plate them and then sprinkle them with salt. I like to squeeze a little lemon or lime on them. You could also perhaps use some of that dandelion pesto you made last week. Oh, and you can also do the same thing with the yard squid if you harvested any. This is a really delicious way to enjoy those too. I hope you'll make this part of your spring traditions. Buon appetito!